These are the 10 most scary attack helicopters on Earth. There are 27 military attack helicopters around the world to date. The site Wunderlist.com quoted on Saturday, the 24th of September 2016, lists the 10 most advanced attack helicopters in the world. 1. MiL Mi-24 Hind, Russia. 2. Boeing AH-64D Longbow Apache, United States. 3. Agusta A-129 Mangusta, Italy. 4. Denel A-2 Rooivalk, South Africa. 5. Z-10, China. 6. Eurocopter Tiger, France and Germany. 7. MiL Mi-28 Havoc, Russia. 8. Kamov Ka-52 Hokum-B, Russia. 9. Bell A-1Z Viper, United States. 10. AH-64E Apache Guardian, United States.